Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can duplicate your app projects you create on Adalo App Builder to use these, for example, as templates for future application projects you build and create. So let us dive into this, guys. So head over to the app builder on Adalo and select the app you would like to go with and access its settings here on the left hand side by clicking into that gear icon. Here, collapse the app settings menu and navigate or expand the copy and delete section. Here, guys, you will see this button. Click into it, and after that Adalo will ask you to rename the copy or the duplicate of your task project, and it will also ask you if you'd like to use the same database. So you can use one of these options. Click into copy, and after that the duplicate of your app project will appear here, so that you may keep working on it, customize it, edit it to make it distinct from your first project and use the first project as a template, for example. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.